All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do another unboxing. I ordered something from AutoForge, and I needed not so much products this time, but I wanted to try some new accessories, things that help you clean your car. Well, let's just start out anyway. AutoForge.net carries a plethora of different supplies, products, accessories, brushes, towels, whatever. So I got myself, this is the combo of the Glacier 1100 towels. Now these are the towels I love to use for different tasks, mainly drying on my car. Now they come in three sizes. You got your extra large, your medium, and your small. Small is great for windows, just smaller sections, I guess. And this is all twisted loop type material, and they are fantastic. And you can see 25% polyamide and 75% polyester, 1100 GSMs. So there's the small. This one definitely great for drying multiple big cars, and the medium is just a medium size like this that just fits in your hands nicely. Now the big large ones have pockets in the corners, so when you go to, you can put your hands in there and get it all around. So very cool. So my favorite towels, these are McKees 37, Glacier 1100 drying towels. So those are the three sizes, all right? I highly suggest you try these out. Now, they had some other things that interested me. I got these mitts, and they fit on your hand. They're made of like a microfiber material, and I got two of them, and they fit on your hand there. So you put your hand inside, and you can get your fingers in there, and you can get into, these are double-sided, so into things. So maybe, I probably won't use these for my wheels. You could, because you can get behind the spokes and everything real good, but probably more, I'll use this for dashboard applications, leather applications. I'm not sure yet, but they fit really good. They're cool, very soft. I like them. I got a couple of those. Then I saw they had Scrub Ninja pads, so I got one of the large Scrub Ninjas. These are the dual-sided ones, maybe for your more, you want to like rub or agitate. You have that side, and then you have this side with the, I forget what they call this, but it's like a soft bristle material. It's real soft though. It's not really going to hurt anything. With either of these sides, I wouldn't really do any kind of piano black on my interior. I wouldn't scrub that with them. But for your seats and stuff, very cool, especially to get some lather going. Then I saw they had the finger mitts. So these come in packs of 2. These are auto fiber products, and you can stick your fingers inside there and really just get in those cracks and crevices. I've never had the finger ones, so very awesome. Excited to try that out as well. Now, I got some high gloss detail spray. This is just for that after you've washed, get the fingerprints off there, and just bring out the best gloss that you can get off your car. Very good on dark colored cars. Works great on white. I got white, and not something that you're going to use really for super high protection, but it will help any wax or any kind of protection that you already have on there. It'll help that, and it just gives that huge shine to it. So very cool from McKees 37. And because I ordered this big lot, they threw in a high def paint sealant for free. So like I said, when you order from AutoForge, and they have a couple different freebies in there depending on where you go with your order limit. The higher you go, the better freebie you get from there. So I got this for free. Very neat. And I threw in another one of my small towels. These are the Gauntlet from the Rag Company towels. I love these little ones. I just always throw one inside there when I order something. And I got this. This is part 2 of my order. This does not come directly from AutoForge. This gets shipped in from another company, and I'm going to show you guys what that is. So let me open this up. All right, guys, and the second part of my order is the Dr. Color chip. This is their automotive touch-up paint system. And I got one that comes, it's all self-inclusive, got different stuff inside there. I'll open this up and show you guys when I do a video of this. But this comes from Dr. Color Chip Company, and you can order this through autoforge.net. So what you do is you go to AutoForge, you go into the Dr. Color Chip, you put your year, your car, your model, and the color code in there, and they'll send you this kit here. And this is a fast, easy way. I've never used it. I've seen this at SEMA, and it looks very, very cool. I've always wondered about how good does it work. My car has a pearl type of white paint, so I've got plenty of rock chips from the driving in the desert out here. It just, sand and rocks are always flying from these trucks out here. So I figured I'm gonna try this out. I wanna check it out. So all of these cool supplies can be gotten at autoforge.net. Go over there, check them out, order whatever you need. They've got everything. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll go into a video, and I'm gonna use this Dr. Color chip very soon.